Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart tech the easy way. Want to secure your Gmail account but don't know how to update your password? In this guide, I'll show you the fastest way to change your Gmail password on Android. Step 1. Open Gmail app launch. Gmail on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. Tap your profile icon from the top right to access account settings. Step 2. Go to Google Account Settings. Tap Manage your Google account to open Full Account Controls. This is where you control security, privacy, and login settings. Step 3. Open Security tab, swipe to the Security section from the top menu. Here you'll find all login and password-related options. Step 4. Tap Password option. Scroll down and tap Password under the Signing in to Google section. You may need to verify your identity using PIN, Fingerprint, or current password. Before we go deeper, click subscribe and join thousands of tech enthusiasts mastering their digital security with Preyo Phonie. Step 5. Enter current password. Type your existing Google account password to continue. This step ensures only you can make security changes. Step 6. Create new password. Enter a strong new password with at least 8 characters for better protection. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Step 7. Confirm new password. Re-enter the same password in the second field to avoid mistakes. Make sure both entries match exactly before moving forward. Step 8. Update password. Tap Change Password to apply the new security settings instantly. Your Gmail password will now be successfully updated. That's it. Your Gmail account is now secured with a new password, so subscribe for more smart tech guides that keep you ahead.